Hello everyone! Today I will share my personal opinion about some of the best pool tankless heaters. For the price and more information, click the link in the description below. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which pool tankless heater are you using right now? And what is your opinion on it? Let me know in the comments. Your support will help to keep me running, so please subscribe to my channel. Number 1. Stiebel Eltron Tankless Water Heater. Advanced flow control patented technology invented by Stiebel. Eltron automatically maintains water temperature for constant comfort. It'll reduce flow slightly if hot water demand exceeds capacity. Hot showers will never be interrupted again. Its small, sleek white design saves space yet still provides endless hot water for your whole house, and no venting is required. The eco-friendly unit saves energy with automodulation and the ability to electronically control water flow. Savings monitor even shows how much you save on energy costs. The electronic switch activates the hot water heater, and it's noise-free while in use. Has a digital temperature display and preset temperature and memory buttons, while the interior solid copper heating system does all the power work. These top-rated electric tankless water heaters perform with the highest standards for comfort and reliability. Make sure you have sufficient electrical service for the model. There is no specific installation kit. However, we suggest using flexible braided hose connections that screw onto the hot and cold water. Number 2. 5400W Electric Shower Head Heater. This premium, high-flow shower head has clean lines and a contemporary faucet designed to enhance any modern bathroom's fixtures and accessories. The internal precision control equipment can ensure the stability of the water temperature and the amount of water. There is no need to worry about the situation of sudden or small flow or sudden absence of hot water. The water output is large and the water is even, maintains a safe and comfortable water temperature. The showerhead built in an automatic on or off the sensor. It will work when the water is running and it will off when turned off the water. It is equipped with 2 controllers, safe and secure to use. The power reaches 5400 W, which meets the electricity requirements of North American countries. With it, you no longer have to worry about no hot water. It is hot, safe, and convenient. 3 water temperature control: low temperature, medium temperature, and high temperature. Number 3. EcoSmart Smart Pool 27 Electric Tankless Pool Heater. The Smart Pool series can provide a 1 degree to 1.5 degrees Fahrenheit temperature rise per hour for the on-demand pool heating experience. EcoSmart pool heaters operate by utilizing the latest flow sensor technology instead of the traditional pressure switch activation in contractors to reduce the risk of burned elements, which increases functionality and reliability. The Smart Pool series come with digital thermostat control so you can set the temperature exactly where you want. EcoSmart pool heaters can be used as an alternative to heat pumps or as a booster and are compact and easy to install for a new or existing pool. The Smart Pool series are energy efficient no matter what the ambient temperature. The water heater looks amazing, very modern, and EcoSmart. The heater seems to be easy to service and the heating elements are very easy to access and replace if one of them burns. Number 4. Camplux 5L Portable Water Heater Outdoor. The Camplex A13243N is great for camping, to the beach, or family vacations, mountain cabins, horse stables, etc. CSA-approved portable tankless water heater for US and Canada markets. You don't need to buy extra accessories. You can get 2 PCS extension hose and fittings, complete pump package all in one. Compact and lightweight size tankless water heater with folding handle keeps it out of the way, allowing for a convenient setup outdoors. Great for off-grid, road trips, camping trips. Flame failure device, anti-freezing protection, overheating protection, oxygen depletion safety shutoff protection always ensures you wonderful and safe outdoor showers. The tankless water heater will catch on fire with improper operation. Always check gas leakage before operation to avoid gas leakage caused by improper sealing of the water heater. The tankless propane water heater comes with high-efficiency combustion technology to decrease gas consumption and burning noise. Structure with 11.5% energy-saving technology. You can save more energy and money. Number 5. Banosin 5400W Instant Hot Water Heater. The electric heater shower head is made of high-quality plastic. This high-flow shower head has clean lines and a contemporary faucet designed to enhance any modern bathroom's fixtures and accessories. The 3 water temperature control perfectly meets various types of people who have different needs for water temperature. The internal precision control equipment can ensure the stability of the water temperature and the amount of water. There is no need to worry about the situation of sudden or small flow or sudden absence of hot water. The showerhead built in an automatic on or off the sensor. It will work when the water is running and it will off when turned off the water. It is equipped with 2 controllers, safe and secure to use. With it, you no longer have to worry about no hot water. It is hot, safe, and convenient. The water output is large and the water is even. Perfect for poolside hot water shower rinse-offs. Also for cabins where you don't really need a hot water heater plus all the extra piping. Thank you for watching this video. To get more informative videos, please subscribe to my channel. Have a good day.